Hi everyone, here we've got a POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to show the grid lines on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and since we are on the photo mode we can enter the settings. So let's tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see in this panel, in this position we've got show grid lines option, but I hope that you can see the small arrow. It means that we can open some further settings instead of just turning it on or off. So let's tap on show grid lines here, and as you can see here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose and also 2 additional ones. So right now we've got the regular grid lines applied to our camera, so you will be able to apply the rule of thirds and make some harmonious photos. But here we've got also plenty another options, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here it is much smaller in this middle part. Here we can apply the spiral option, and the same situation but from another side. Let's say, as you can see, it is right now in the left upper corner, and in this option it is in the right upper corner. What's more, under it we've got 2 different options which are connected to the center mark, so you will be able to put the item you'd like to take a photo of right in the middle of the actual photo. And here we've got the straighten option, so it's, let's say, a leveler. So actually this is how to turn on the grid lines, how to actually customize the grid lines. And obviously if you'd like to turn off the grid lines, just tap on this icon, and as you can see they immediately disappears. Be aware also that the grid lines are visible only at the camera app, so after taking a photo you won't be able to see them. So let me check it. Let's take a photo with the grid lines applied and let's check the preview. And as I said, they are not visible on the actual photo. So actually that's all. This is how to show how to hide the grid lines in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.